Pickup trucks cover an amazing capacity to get work done. Yet, the truck's most unique and useful feature, its open bed, also represents its biggest design compromises. An open bed is at the mercy of the elements and, unless modified, doesn't offer much security for any of the gear it's so adept at carrying. That's where tonneau covers come into play. Made from durable materials and affixed directly to a truck's bed, a Hard Shield Trifold Tonneau Cover is one that will give you peace of mind that the elements won't damage and destroy your cargo. And one of these covers can even lock in your valuables from would-be thieves. Take a look at our video for some great hand-folding tonneau covers options right here. At the first position of our list, we have Buckflip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. It's hard to argue that any hard folding tonneau cover is better than the Buckflip MX4. The decision to crown it with the title of the best overall is primarily based on the ability to uncover the entire bed as needed. Unlike many others, all panels can lift up and out of the way, eliminating the need to remove the cover altogether to transport large cargo, and that's still something of a game changer there is to like though. It's also made from aluminum to provide the best mix of weight savings and security, and is backed by a 5-year warranty. As for the downsides, it is one of the costliest options out there. Despite that, there are far too many reports of quality control issues to ignore. Moving on to the next at number 2 with DNA Motoring Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. There's no question that hard folding covers are often priced out of budget for truck owners, which is why DNA Motoring is an obvious candidate for many. At roughly half the price of the bigger name brands, it's a hard folding cover that does many things well. While it's good, it's certainly not the best. It does block the stake pocket holes, which can cause some considerable issues, namely preventing the use of bed rails and other accessories. Also, it is apparent that quality can see improvements, especially when it comes to the seals, creating some fitment issues. The number 3 position is held by Buckflip G2 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Buck is back at it, but this time the Buckflip G2. This is an affordable alternative to those that want the legendary function without going too high in price. This cover features 3 panels, all of which can be flipped up to provide access to the entire bed. It does not impede the stake pockets, and the low-profile design provides that sleek look many truck owners desire. Of course, it is backed with a 5-year warranty to provide peace of mind when investing a considerable amount of money in a tonneau cover. Next at number 4 we have X-Tank Solid Fold 2.0 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. X-Tank is one of the leading names in this industry, so it's no surprise to see the Solid Fold 2.0 as a top pick. Ease of installation is something many appreciate about this cover, but that hardly separates it from any of the other top offerings. That said, it's the versatility that makes it stand out. This cover can come in configurations that allow the use of toolboxes, headache racks, and more. A solid 3-year warranty also backs it to protect you from anything that may have gone wrong during production. Finally, the number 5 position is held by Xcover Hard Tonneau Cover. During those nasty rain showers and snowy days, you'll need to cover the cargo in the bed of your truck with a line of defense that's capable of repelling rain and keeping your belongings from getting soaked. If my experience with this cover so far is anything to go by, and given the overwhelmingly positive reviews I've seen online, it very well could be the Xcover Low Profile Tonneau Cover offers you an excellent way to dealing with the problems mentioned above. It combines ease of operation, all-weather protection, and tough as nails, resilient construction with hard-to-beat functionality. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.